Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see pricing schema. So these are all the steps I am going to do. Create condition table, define access sequence, define condition type, define pricing schema, define schema group, define schema determination, finally condition record creation in MEK1. And after that, I'm going to create discounts condition type, add that discounts condition type to this pricing schema. And finally, I'm going to create condition record for the discounts in transaction code MEK1 and check it in the pricing procedure. Now, let me go to the live system. This is my live system. Okay, go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, go to material management, purchasing, go to conditions, define pricing determination process. First step is condition table. Create condition table. Let me create a condition table. Condition table. Here it is. Maintain condition table. Create condition table. Okay. I'm going to create the condition table. Less than 500 is SAP's table, condition table. Above 500 is user defined. We can create it. I'm going to create 655. Okay. First step. Page up and page down in the keyboard. It will work. Page down. Purchase organization. Page up or page down. Page down. Vendor. Page up. Material. Where is the material? Here it is. Okay. Now click on to generate button. Generate. Press enter. Yes. You have to generate. Yes. Let me select it in local objects. Local object. 655 is my condition table. 655. Now next is access sequence. I'm going to create access sequence. Let me come back. Now I'm going to create an access sequence. Go to access sequence. Continue. New entry. Set 655. 655. Access sequence 655. Select onto this. Press enter. Select onto this. Double click onto accesses. New entry. Number 1. Table 655 is my table. Press enter. Select onto this. Double click onto the fields. Press enter. Only then it gets generated. Access sequence gets generated. Save it. So my access sequence is Z655. Z655 is my access sequence. Now come back. Press escape to come out. Now define condition type. Define condition type. So my condition type is PBXX. PBXX. From that I'm going to take it. Select on to PBXX, copy as. This is my gross price, which needs to be displayed in purchase order. Copy as. Okay. Z655. Let me enter Z655. Learn to win. Gross price. Learn to win. Okay. What is my access sequence? The one I have created. Z655. Access sequence Z655 and the condition type is also Z655. Z655. Okay. Press enter and save it. Let me save it. Continue. Okay. Now come back. And then pricing schema, the main one. Z655 ZZ. Okay. Pricing schema. Okay. Go to RM06. Let me check this and then I'll create my RM6. Okay. New entry Z655 ZZ. Z655 ZZ. Learn to it. Select onto this, double click onto control data, new entry. Now step 1. Okay, my condition type is Z655. Z655. Press enter. Okay, print is X and subtotal is 9. Save it. Save it. Now come back. Now I missed out this requirement 6. Z655 ZZ. Z655 ZZ. Set onto this, double click onto this control. 6 requirement is 6. Why is this 6? Is 6 is condition exclusion. If there is more than one condition for this, it should get excluded. That is why the meaning is we are excluding another condition type. Another pricing. If there is another pricing, it gets displayed in the purchase order. So I am just excluding one price. That is what it is. Now save it. Come back. Now define schema group. Vendor schema group, new entry. My schema group is X2. Let me enter X4. Schema. Vendor schema. X4. Save it. That's it. X4. Purchase organization schema group. New entry. X444. Purchase organization schema group. Save it. X444. Come back. Now assignments of schema group to purchase organization. My schema group is, my purchase organization is HK01. So this schema group purchase organization is X444. Press enter and save. Now come back. Let me come back. Close this. Now schema determination. Go to schema determination. See here, calculation schema for standard purchase order. New entry. Okay. X444 is my schema group purchase organization. X4 is my vendor schema group. And my schema group, pricing schema is, this is the pricing schema. Present and save it. Only then it will run. Now continue. Now come back. Come back. Now I'm going to create a condition record. /show MEK1. What is my condition type? Condition type is Z655 is my condition. Let me go to Z655. 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 Okay, my purchase organization is HK0. Okay, my vendor is 3000033. Is my vendor. Okay, let me enter the material. S555 is my material. Okay, 650, 6,000, 750. Let me enter 750. S555 is my material. 3000033 is my vendor. Save. One small change I have to do in vendor. Go to XK02. Company code is HK01. Purchasing data. Select onto schema group vendor. X4. X4 is my vendor schema. Save. Now let me check the purchase order. ME21N. Enter the vendor 3000033. It's my vendor. Vignesh Industries. Purchase organization. Now it has to work. Enter 10 quantity. Plant. Now go to the conditions and check. Let's check. See here, Z655 is my condition. So This is what so-called condition technique. We call this as a condition technique. Okay, now I'm going to give discounts on this. 1750, 10% discount. Let me do that discount also. Go to /n and go to do discount. Select on to go here. I want to create a condition table. Now create condition table. Okay. 656. 656 for discount. 656 discount. For discount 656. 656. Okay. Present. Already 657. Already exists. 658. This is what. So vendor and material. I'm going to give vendor and material alone. Page down. Vendor and material. Vendor, page up. Material. Generative. $658, $658. Present. Yes. Local objects. Let me save it in local objects. Now come back. 658. Now I'm going to add this in the access sequence, which I already created. Go to access sequence. Or let me create another new access sequence. Z658 access sequence. Discounts. And save it. Save it. Select onto this access sequence. Double click onto accesses. New entry 1658. Present. Select onto this line item. Double click onto few fields. Present. Now it gets generated. Save it. Z658 is my access sequence. Z658 access sequence. Now come back. I'm going to create a condition type. Let me create a condition type. Yes. Condition type. My condition type. Select RA00. I'm going to take it from the standard RA00. Okay. Select onto this. Copy as. Okay. Z658. Z658. Okay. Discount. Learn to win. Learn to win. What is my access sequence? This is my access sequence. And my condition type is also Z658. Okay. Now Z658. Access sequence is also Z658. Okay. Save. Continue. Now come back. Close this. Now I'm going to do define calculation scheme. I'm going to add this condition type to the calculation scheme. Condition type. Go to what is my condition type? Calculation schema. This is my calculation scheme. This is my calculation scheme. 658. Double click onto this control data. New entry. Step 2. My condition type is this. Okay. From step 1. X print X. Okay, save. Scroll up. See, from 1, discounts will be from 1. From the step 1. Okay, now come back. So I have completed. Let me go to MEK1. I'm going to create a condition. MEK1. Okay. Z658. Z658. Okay. Vendor, material, 10% discount. I'm going to give 10% discount, minus 10%. See here, 10% discount. Save it. Now let me check the purchase order. ME21N. Enter the vendor, purchase organization, purchasing group, enter material, enter quantity, 10 quantity, plant HK0. Okay. Now let's go to conditions and check. See here, 10% discount. 10% discount. 1,750 is the 17,000 rupees from 17,500. 10% discount. Now the net price is 1,575. That's what we have got it. So enter storage location. Storage location is not mandatory, but still I'm selecting that. Save it. Save. So over. This is how we create pricing schema with the discounts. Thank you.